What's up, everybody here? So we're back at it again. Good morning. We're feeding the calves, right, Amy? Yeah. And we're feeding Cookie right now.
This is not Cookie.
No, this is
Crystal.
No, I think it's no, not Crystal. Cookie, cause you know the spots.
No.
Oreo. This is Oreo. Let's name him Oreo. And then we're feeding all the calves right now. It's feeding time. They got the little bottles going on. This electrolytes, cause
Oreo Cookie.
he's been a little weak. So
He's done.
yeah, you see when that happens, grab the bottle and tease him so he doesn't come over here and don't let me feed this one. Okay? And I'll do this. Oh, that one is coming. Oh gosh, this one is strong. Go, Amy.
Take him out?
No, which one was eating what?
I don't know.
No, was it this one or that one? This one.
I don't know.
Was this one on this one here?
No, that one, that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, well push him back because she needs to finish her bottle.
Is it?
Oh no. Are you sure, Amy?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Okay. Okay, you got to make sure that the ones that finish first, let the other ones finish.
It's just pushing. He gonna hit you. Hey, fight him. Fight him.
Here, Amy, tease him with the bottle.
Okay. Here. Oh.
Ah, gosh. Sounds good. Well, we'll do another video later and let you guys know what's going on with this calf. It's kind of hard right now, but we'll get it managed eventually. We'll get it managed. See ya. Bye. What's up, everyone? We got this calf over here being a dog, following us all over the place. I know. He knows I'm gonna feed him. It's about time. They're ready to eat. So we're about to feed him right now. Oh, it's cold outside. We almost done over here being at the farm. Doing outside work. But almost done. Look at him. It's so funny that got the turkeys out there laying down. Got the duckies outside. It was such a beautiful day today, so all the animals knew it, so they're all out. Turkeys right there, peacocks. Look at how beautiful these animals are. Oh boy. King, get over here. What's up, everyone? So we're here at the farm. Now unloading all the hay. All the straw. We got some straw the other day. We got the turkeys outside, the peacocks outside. Just getting everything situated right now. I'm finna go get some wood. I cut some wood and I keep it over there on the other side also. So I got a lot of pieces of wood already cut to our chimney here to burn it inside the house. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm taking advantage of the beautiful sun, the beautiful day today. What a blessing. It's nice, beautiful. The sun is hitting. It doesn't feel so cold. Like this whole week has been so cold outside. So that's what I'm doing right now, taking advantage of this beautiful day. So I'm gonna go load up all the rest of the wood. One of my buddies out here helping me out with all this stuff, unloading all the straw and hay and all the good stuff for the animals for the week. Since I do something else, I'm in the automobile business. I just do this as a hobby, and it's fun, and I enjoy doing it with my kids, you know, the wife. So we love it. It's nice. You know, so, and the chickens, I just created that 55 drum barrel, cut it, and I created a dust bath for them, and they loving it. They enjoying it right now. So that's awesome. You see them, they're on the ground right now, dusting themselves, taking a bath, I guess. So it's nice seeing the animals active and happy, enjoying the weather too. Thank God for that. So we'll keep you guys updated. Oh wow, that peak out on top of my van. Oh boy, look at that. Oh boy, come on. All right, well, sounds good, everyone. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely post another video right now when I start loading up some wood or getting the wood inside or something. We'll see how it goes when we start doing some feeding later. Thank you. Look at that. Oh no. King, get over here. Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm here fixing the extension cord for this heat lamp. Trying to get this pig hutch ready because one of our females, look at her, she's gonna have some piglets pretty soon. So we're trying to get this ready, put the heat lamp in there, get it all set up, so that way we can be ahead of time, because you know, I don't want any surprises. But this calves here shoot up this extension cord that I had over here on this side. So I'm gonna try to fix it right now. Well, fix it. I'm sorry. Get this going. I've just gone through the motions. I'm sorry. And I just sang another song. Take me back to where we started. So that's what I got going on. I open up my heart to you. We'll keep you guys updated, but we out here. Rose, King. Oh. All right, sounds good. So these are the steers that we got. I don't know what happened to her. She broke her leg or what, because just the way it looks, and I don't know, you know, I'm iffy about it. I don't know. It's just she doesn't move very well. Does it hurt or what? I don't know. I'm gonna keep an eye on her real close. This is a heifer, so see what's going on with her. All right, sounds good. We'll keep you guys updated and let you guys know what's going on with the calves. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't like the way she moves her feet. Not at all. Sounds good.